Good morning everyone. Mamta Nehra welcome you in GK class. Today we will learn about our national flag. This is our national flag. Our national flag is also called the tricolor or Tiranga. The colors in the flag are saffron, white and green. Saffron stands for sacrifice and white stands for peace and green stands for prosperity. We see a wheel or chakra in the middle of the white band. It is called the Ashoka Chakra. The Ashoka Chakra has 24 spokes and it is navy blue in color. Our national flag is hosted at the Red Fort in Delhi by Prime Minister of India on the Independence Day. The President of India hosts the national flag of the Republic Day. Thank you, students.